Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be talking about Amazon Simple Queue service. So basically how we can send the message, edit the queue and receive and delete the message. So let's go ahead and start. So in the previous video, we have created the queue and we have discussed about the configurations of that queue. So let me create one sample queue. So we have discussed about what is standard, what is FIFO and the other configurations here, and we have created it. So once we create it, let's go to our queues and let's refresh. Let's click our sample one queue. And here you can see we have an option called send and receive messages, right? So you can click that and I'm just clicking, hey, so I'm sending that message, right? So we have sent that message. So let's wait for that. The next one is like, let's see how we can edit the queue. So similarly, you can go to the sample and you can see the option here, right? Edit. So you can edit the configurations. For example, let's say you have missed some configurations, you can just go edit those configurations. You can select the other one and change the configurations accordingly. So that is how you can edit it. So it's basically like editing is simple. So let me go back here and let's see if we can receive that message and delete that message, right? So let's click our sample. And when you click this send and receive, you can see there is a option called poll for messages. So basically polling is a process of periodically checking the SQS queue for new messages. So it is a responsibility of the customer to initiate the polling process. So the consumer sends a request, for example, receive message to SQS queue and receive messages if there are any available. So we have to check here, okay? So we have to click poll for messages. So there you go. So we have got one. So you can see the polling process. Right now, one message has been received. So if you click that, you see we have got a message. So let's wait for that. And once it is done, you can delete that. So let's wait for that. And you can just click that and delete here. You can also view the details, attributes, details, so on. And just delete that one. There you go. So we have deleted successfully. And just to see that our queue is empty, so we can go back to a sample and go to the monitoring section, and here you can select 1 minute. And you can see there is no graph as of now. So approximately a message delay, there is no graph. So basically the queue is empty, and finally you can delete that queue. So to delete that queue, you can go back to the queues, select the queue and delete. Just click confirm and delete. So this is how we can delete it. So just wanted to show you those configurations in this video. So I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.